have this. Suppose you get a venture that you can do from home at the comfort of your home, and you're earning $2 to $5. Let's say $2. This is $2. In 30 days, you're going to be having $60. When I'm talking about this $60, you are not going to invest anything. You are going to do it whether you're seated at home, whether you're traveling to work, wherever and whatever you're doing. Mind you, this is the job, or it is a side hustle that you already do, but you didn't know that you can earn money from it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 from Facebook. And when I'm talking about $5 from Facebook, I mean only AdSense. So let's calculate $5 in 30 days, you're going to be having $150. Isn't $150 an add up on your income? Just imagine. Right now you're posting photos, you're posting whatever you're posting on Facebook without anything, without being paid, but you're saying, please, Facebook, keep for me. I'm going to show you how I've been assimilated in Facebook and how I really started being monetized and how I'm earning every 25th of the month with Facebook. You're a beginner, you've been there, you're a mother, you sit home at home, you're a corporate person, but you post something on Facebook. Are you paid? No. If you're not paid, please. Today, we're going to learn how to earn at least $5 daily from Facebook content with in-stream ads, focusing on stories, posts, and videos. You want to earn at least $5 every day just by posting on Facebook, of which you've been posting already. It is not something new. Whether it is stories, regular posts, or videos, this video will show you how to use Facebook in-stream ads to turn your content into daily income. This is a disclaimer, you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial guru, but I'm a lady that has been using this and even have seen the world use Facebook and earn money. Have you ever wondered why people are always on Facebook? Can you go to the comment section and let me know one name that person is always on Facebook, is always on live, is always posting? Why do you think? The secret is there is money, and this money is, can I say, free? Hold on that. Hi there, and welcome back to Immaculate Show channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money from Facebook content using in-stream ads. That's right, you've heard me. You can earn daily from stories, posts, and especially videos. Even if you're just starting out, you can earn. To my special viewers, my special engagers, and every person that has just subscribed, I love you so much. This is another mind-blowing video, so sit tight and please, you can forward this and share it to your friends, especially those people who have not yet known there's money on Facebook. First things first, Facebook pays creators through in-stream ads. These are short ads pressed within your video content. You can earn money when people watch your videos and the ads that play within them. To qualify, of course, you have to qualify, you guys. To qualify for in-stream ads, your Facebook page must meet the minimum requirements. And what are these minimum requirements? It is 5,000 followers, 60,000 total minutes of views viewed in your videos in the last 60 days, at least 5 active videos uploads. And yes, you need to follow Facebook monetization policies. This is very important, and you have to be in a country that is being monetized. If you want to know that you're in a country being monetized, please write it in the comment section and I will give you the answer. Videos are the fastest way to qualify, you guys. Start creating shorts, engaging videos 1 to 3 minutes long. Use trending topics, tutorials, or entertainment that resonates with your audience. Let me tell you something, but wait, what about stories and posts? Because most of you don't know that you can earn money on stories and posts. While in-stream ads mainly run on videos, stories and regular posts help you boost your engagement and reach more engagement. Of course, will be more followers, faster monetization. Use Facebook stories to promote your videos and even to earn. And swipe up a link on direct videos for viewers to view your videos content. Stories boost your visibility and help keep your audience hooked. Don't fail to do this. Don't fail to share your videos. And even right now, stories are giving people enough money. You can post your stories direct from your gallery. Make posts with catchy captions and drop your video links in the comments. These methods drive organic traffic to your monetized videos. When we're talking about making this $5 per day on Facebook, let's talk about numbers. With just one viral video, you can start making $5 or more daily. Some creators are earning 2 to 5 cents per 1,000 views, but with consistent content and engagement, it adds up faster without forgetting the niche you're in, because the RPM matter so much. What should we do now? For us to make sure that we get our maximum number of at least engagement and video views, for us to get more than $5 and above. Post at least 3 times a week, maximum at least. You can go for content, you go viral, you can mix with stories, upload short videos, and you make sure that you're regular. The algorithm loves consistency. What we do on YouTube is the same thing that you are supposed to do on Facebook. The only thing that is different is the length of video can be at least 3 minutes to whatever, but at least should be 3 minutes. Then also the aspect ratio here is different from YouTube. So you can really earn $5 a day from Facebook content with in-stream ads. Yes, you can, absolutely, if you stay consistent, create variable content, and grow your audience the smart way. You guys, let me tell you what you do. I want you to go to the comment section and let me know if you've had somebody who has really earned money on Facebook. You can earn money on Facebook if you know you are focused to earn money on Facebook. But if you're not focused to earn money on Facebook, you might not earn it. The dangers that can make you not earn money on Facebook is community guidelines. Community guidelines have hindered a lot of people from getting monetized. Even the ones who have been monetized, their monetization has been pulled down because of community guidelines. So what you do, guys, step up. Make sure that you see your videos, you see your posts, you see the comments. They can also hinder your monetization. Now there are some people who are saying I have only a profile. Yes, a profile can give you monetization, but it is limited to some other things. So if you have a profile, you can change it to professional mode, and you also start running for monetization on your profile. There are some individuals who have been monetized on their profile and are not monetized on their pages. Me, I've been monetized on my page, but I'm not yet monetized on my profile. So you can follow me on Christine Immaculate on Facebook, such that I get enough followers. What I'm remaining with is just some few followers on Facebook. I have friends, but followers are not yet there. But for the page, people are following me day and night. So for individuals who are still there and just post, keep my page, keep for me this, keep for me here, please, you can go to Facebook. And if you want to know the detailed way of how you can open your Facebook page, how you can do whatever you want to do, how you can increase your followers, what to do, please, you can subscribe to Immaculate Show on Facebook. And the moment you are a subscriber, you have a right to really ask me what you want, to even inquire anything that is concerned with Facebook. Thank you very much. Please don't forget that we have also our YouTube handles and TikTok and Instagram, all are Immaculate Show names. Please go there, visit us, and you get detailed information. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye bye.